Hello. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to get a FAQ bot up and running with QnA Maker without writing any line of code. You can build a bot in a few simple steps. Let us get started. I'll create a QnA Maker help bot on Teams that will answer QnA Maker related questions like what is a knowledge base, how to create a knowledge base, etc. First step is to create a knowledge base that will hold questions and answers for the bot. We need to create a QnA service first. Clicking on Create QnA Service will take you to the Azure portal. If you're not signed in, you will be asked to provide your credentials. You will use the same credentials to log into QnA Maker. Getting to the Azure portal through QnA Maker website opens the Create QnA Service template. Alternatively, you can go to the Azure portal directly, click on Add New Resource and create a QnA Maker service. Complete a few fields like name, pricing tier. I'm selecting free tier as I'm building a test bot. The creation of QnA service include the creation of an app service and Azure search resource as well. QnA Maker needs these to host your QnA service and to save your knowledge base to Azure search. I'm selecting free tier for Azure search, which allows me to create 2 KBs for free. Click on Create and it'll start the deployment of these resources. Deployment might take some time, and you can see the deployment status in progress. Once deployed, you can see the new resources in the dashboard, and that's it. We will wait for resources to get created. I'm checking if my resources are ready and running, and here they are. We go back to the QnA Maker website, and I'm already logged in. Refreshing to make sure that newly created QnA Maker service is shown in the drop-down, we can start creating our knowledge base. You can create a knowledge base from your semi-structured content such as frequently asked questions hosted on websites, product manuals, support documents on public URLs, or on SharePoint. You can also build a knowledge base by writing questions and answers from scratch. Let's give a name to our knowledge base. We can either provide a URL that has FAQs or a file. Since I'm building a QnA Maker help bot, I have the QnA Maker documentation, which has a FAQ page, and I'll use it to create my QnA Maker help bot. I copy the URL and paste it in here. I can add more URLs as well. QnA Maker will extract the questions and answers from the provided URLs and add to the newly created KB. You can enhance the conversational abilities of your bot by adding built-in small talk or chit-chat in line with the personality you desire for the bot. I'm going ahead with professional personality. Adding chit-chat will take care of questions that humans generally ask, like hi, or how are you, or how is the weather. Adding chit-chat also ensures that you don't have to explicitly write answers for these questions. Okay, let's hit create. This is how it looks. You can see the segregation between your KB and the chit-chat. You can also edit the responses of the chit-chat as per your scenario. Since users may ask the same question in many different ways, we can also add more utterances. This helps QnA Maker understand questions better and get appropriate answers from the KB. Once we are done making changes, hit Save and Train. This ensures that the knowledge base is saved and QnA Maker is trained on provided utterances. Once done, we can use the test option to see how questions will be answered by QnA Maker if an end user asks them. Let me ask a few questions. Let's say, how are you? And it answers. And let me ask a question about a KB that needs to be created. Okay, here is the answer for that. QnA Maker provides a confidence score for each question. You can click on Inspect to check that out. This testing exercise helps you decide if you need to add more alternate questions, tweak framing, and train QnA Maker again. This will increase the confidence score and will ensure that an end user gets the most relevant results for his question. Once you have given a fine shape to your knowledge base, you can publish the knowledge base. Publishing will push the knowledge base from text index to a production index and generate an endpoint that you can use in your bot application. However, we want to create a bot in a no-code way. So our next step is to create a bot service, and it is really simple. You click on this link and it takes you directly to Azure portal with a pre-filled Create Bot Service template. You can change a few details like name of the bot or location as per your preference and hit Create. Once the deployment is done, our bot is ready. I can test the bot in web chat. Let me show it here. Let me type "how are you" again, and it fetches the response from the knowledge base that we had created. The answer is returned from the chit chat that we added during the KB creation. Let me try with one more question on handling KBs, and here is the answer returned for my question. Now we need to enable our bot on Teams channel. We can enable other channels as well for our bot, but for this exercise we will just concentrate on Teams. So click on Channels and click on Enabling the Teams channel. It provides information on different settings that can be enabled for a bot. For our example, we will test our bot on Teams. If you want to publish your bot on Teams, makes it available for your organization, or provide as a third-party bot, you can click on Learn How and find more. I'll show you the documentation towards the end of the video for that. Okay, I click on Save, agree to the terms and conditions, and my team channel is set. Clicking on it will take me to the bot that I've created on Teams. I have already chatted with the bot, so you see a chat history. Let me ask a few questions again. Let me ask a question on "hi" or "how are you" and a question on KB. And here are the responses. So if you want to make this bot available to your organization, you can create an app package and give it to your admin to upload it to your tenant catalog. This documentation covers the steps. There is also documentation on the next steps to make your bot available as a third party in Teams Store. You can also check out QnA Maker documentation to learn more about our best practices, new concepts and features that will help you make richer bot experiences. We have recently introduced active learning, in which QnA Maker actively learns from user interactions with your knowledge base and provides suggestions to improve the quality of the knowledge base. That's it. It is so easy to create a bot with QnA Maker. We have an actual QnA Maker help bot, not on Teams though, but on QnA Maker website. It has been built entirely using QnA Maker. Do check it out. Thank you.